Forgotten username recovery failed on OnDeck Fix. If your attempt to recover your OnDeck username keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they expect OnDeck to still use traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that OnDeck now uses your registered email address as your main login credential, which is why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the OnDeck app or visit the website. Enter your registered email address instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for past emails from OnDeck, such as loan confirmations, account statements, or payment reminders. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the reset email does appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login like Google or Apple, use that same method to access your account. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery attempts fail. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact OnDeck support. Provide your full name, registered email, and mention that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access quickly. Most users assume their account is locked or lost, but the reality is simple. OnDeck removed usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Just log in using your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your loans and finances on OnDeck in minutes.